Ladies and gentlemen, it is springtime here in Cincinnati. Baseball is in the air, and so are some great listings. And this one here is what we're gonna call a home run. Hey guys, Coach Proctor here. Come on in, we got room for the whole team. This unique quad level home has so much space for entertaining and an amazing great room with soaring ceilings. A recently updated kitchen with an open concept, we know you're gonna love it. And when you think you've seen it all, there's even more living space on the lower level, right by your oversized 2-car garage. Bring all your little sluggers. We got plenty of room in this awesome, flat, fenced-in backyard. This home means a lot to us, and we hope it means a lot to one of you.